Hello everyone, welcome to the video where we are going to check what are the modes of payments for e-commerce and what are the forms of e-commerce. So let's move ahead and check what are the modes of payments and forms of e-commerce. So moving towards the modes of payment, we all are aware that nowadays, if we need to go for online payment mode or for the exchange of goods and services, then we use all the modes of payment which are available, like the first one, credit cards. So where we will get a payment gateway and we will be paying to the one from which we are accessing the goods, or we are taking the goods, accessing the services. The another form of payment is mobile payment. Nowadays, mostly we are using various UPIs, mobile payment modes like VMAP we are using, Google Pay, GPay we are using, PayPal and Paytm. So these all kinds of payments comes under mobile mode of payment. The next one is about the bank transfer. Now we know that instant money transfer also we can do, NEFT we can do. So this comes under the modes of payment where we are using bank transfers. The next one is about the e-wallet. Now, if we need to take the example for e-wallet, then there is prepaid account where our money gets stored for the future usage. So, like the example of State Bank Buddy or Paytm wallets you can take. So there we are using this, like we are prepaiding our account and then we are using that store amount afterward. So in this way, there are four payment modes, like first one is credit card, then another one is mobile payment, third one is about the bank transfer, and fourth one is about the e-wallet. Now moving ahead to check for the forms of e-commerce, the first form of e-commerce here you are observing in the diagram, that is mobile phone, and which is providing the various services, various operations. So the first form of e-commerce is m-commerce, that is mobile commerce. So nowadays in the mobile itself you are having everything available, like you can have the e-commerce usage also where there are so many apps and services which are available, like if you will say the example of Flipkart, Amazon, or else whatever the buying and selling of goods or services you want, with the help of your mobile phone or any handheld devices like wireless devices, so you are using their m-commerce, that is mobile commerce, where you are accessing all the services, buying and selling of the goods from mobile phone or your tablet. So what is mobile commerce again? So mobile banking, ticket booking, e-bill payment, online auctions, stock market trading. So all this are the examples for m-commerce, that is mobile commerce. So what is the next one? What is the next form of e-commerce? Here you are observing something which is at the cart, and in the cart itself you are having LinkedIn, Pinterest, Facebook, YouTube and Twitter. So it means all these are the social medias and social platform. So the another form of e-commerce is social commerce. Social commerce is a form of commerce that involves social media. As I have given you the example, that the exchange of goods and services, like here the example of cart is given, and in the cart itself all this social media platforms are added. So with the help of social media, where the exchange of goods and services involves social media, online media, which supports for the social interaction, so it will be social commerce. Then it enables shoppers to get the advice from the trusted individuals. As you know that when you need to go for online purchase, you check reviews of the product, you check even the star marks for the products, so accordingly you purchase it. So social commerce involves the advice from trusted individual, and then the customer purchase it. So this way social commerce is a successful commerce campaign. Like if you need to go for any promotion advertisement, social media is the one which can make the things viral. So the success of social commerce campaign is measured by the degree which customer interact with the company by share or tweets. So how many times that post is getting shared, or how many views we are getting, on that basis social commerce is going to help you out. So accordingly the success is there for social commerce more than to the traditional commerce, or for the m-commerce also we can say. So there are these two forms for e-commerce. The first one is m-commerce, that is mobile commerce, and another one is social commerce. So this way these are the mode for e-commerce and the payment options we have completed over here. So thank you for watching this video. Oh, please like this video, subscribe the channel for the updated videos of your all board IT subject with standard updates of all the lessons. You can watch this channel and you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.